Every modern economy runs on energy. The ideal formula for success? It has to be cheap, secure, and now green. But that's the ideal. The reality is that most countries can't even nail one of those goals. Trying to juggle all three is a recipe for crisis. And the fallout is clear. Energy prices have tripled since the year 2000. Wars create massive supply shocks, and our planet is overheating. Consider the contrast. Iceland, powered by its geothermal energy, is prosperous and protected. Meanwhile, Germany was left scrambling when Russian gas was cut off. Now we face the colossal task of hitting net zero emissions by 2050, even as fossil fuels dominate our world. Do we go all in on solar, wind, or nuclear? Each option has its own serious limitations. And here's the kicker. The massive costs of this transition are due today, while the real benefits won't be seen for decades. Which leaves us with the ultimate question. Can we actually save the planet without bankrupting our economies in the process?